start with the second measure of central tendency, that is the mode. The mode is denoted by Z. In the 9th standard we discuss that in the given observations, the observation which comes the most often time, जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार repeat होता था, that is called the mode. Here for the group data we'll find out the mode. So let's see what the formula is for group data. The mode Z is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let's get meaning of all these values. Z is the mode, L is called the lower boundary or lower limit of model class. Now what is model class, that I'll explain. Let's go for the F1. F is the frequency. Now this is the frequency of model class. Now F0. So again it is the frequency of. Now see, the 0 comes before 1. So we can say that this value, that is the frequency, is the preceding of this frequency. That is the preceding. Preceding, that means previous number or previous value. Preceding, frequency of preceding of model class. Frequency मतलब सिंपल है, whatever the F1 will come, उसके ऊपर वाली frequency is called F0. Now F2 is obviously 2 comes after 1, so it is the frequency of succeeding frequency of model class frequency, that is of F1. So we got all this value H. We can say it is a class interval or class length, and we assuming that the class length or the class interval are equal when we find out the mode by using this formula. See the first question of exercise 14.2. It is said that the following table shows the ages of patients which are admitted in a hospital during a year. The age which is in the years are given, and these are the number of patients given. We have to find out the mode as well as mean of the data given. Fine. So let's first find out the mode of this data. We'll learn that how to find out the mode. We have already discussed that how to find out the mean. So in this session we'll learn that how to find out the mode of the given data. You can find out the mean by your own, and you can interrupt the values of mode and mean. So as we discussed the formula of mode, Z is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let's get all these values. We know the meaning of L is the lower boundary of the model class. This is the frequency of model class. This is the preceding. This is the succeeding frequency, and this is the length. But how to find out the which is the model class? इनमें से model class कौन सा है? So always find out which is the highest value, or we can say the highest frequency. So the highest frequency is, which is the highest value? So that is 23. It's 23. So the class 35 to 45 is model class. This is how to find out the model class. I'll repeat this again. We need to go for the highest frequency. This is. क्यों ये करना है? Again recall the definition of mode we learned in the 9th standard. सबसे ज़्यादा frequency. So ये model class हुआ, this one. This is the frequency of the model class. जिसको हम F1 बोलेंगे. This is F0 as it is a preceding, and this is F2. So you can see that all the values we obtain. Let's write down all the values here. L is the lower boundary or lower limit of this model class, that is 35. F1 Again, it is the highest frequency 23. F0 is the preceding, that is 21. F0 is always smaller than this one. And the value of F2, that is the succeeding frequency of the model class. And H is the, you can see that, the difference, that is equals to 10. So here we obtain all the values. Substitute here this value into the formula. So it is 35 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Keep it here as it is, 35 plus the subtraction of this 2 is 2 and 10 should become in the numerator. The product is 46. These two are like terms, as they are negative, so should be added. So it is 35. Further do the simplify. Should keep it as it is. And here the subtraction is 11. So it is 20 upon 11. So let us do it here. It's 35 plus 20 by 11. So let us continue the sum here. To find out this, we have to divide 20 by 11. And let's get the answer in the decimal. So 11 ones are 11. 90 will remain. So 11 8s are 88. Again 11 ones are. So like this, the values are coming up. That is a reoccurring number. So Z is equals to 35 plus 1. So it is 36 plus 818, you can say. So the nearest value you can write 82. This is the mode, that is of the given class. See the next question number 3. It is given that the following data gives the distributions of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure. Model monthly expenditure, that is the mode. And also find out the mean. So again we'll go for the mean mode of this. To find out the mode, I have written all the values here. That is the formula, that which values were required. So first we need to find out the, yes, that is the model class. Model class is find out by using the, which is the highest frequency of the given data. So let's find out which is the highest frequency. So we can see 40 is the highest frequency. So we'll come to the conclusion that the model class is, as it is the model, that is the highest frequency, so the model class is 1500 to 2000. Now let's go for all these values. L is the lower limit or lower boundary of the model class, that is 1500. Okay, as it is the highest, so it is F1, the preceding is F0 and succeeding is F2. So let us write down all this value. F1 is 40, F0 is 24, F2 is 33. Value H, that is the difference, it's 500. Using this all the values, substitute into the formula. Z is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So in this step I have just substituted all this value in this formula. 1500 as it is. The subtraction is 16. We should always multiply this in the numerator, that is 500. It is 80. We'll do the addition of this two, that is 57. Further 1500 plus, we should keep it as it is, you can multiply also. Let us do the subtraction. It's 23. Now we can see that it won't be divisible. So we'll do the product. 0, 0. It's 8000 divided by 23. Now let us divide 8000 by 23 and get the answer in the decimal. 23 threes are 4s are 8 1 more carry. It's 5s are 6s are 7s are 8s are 8s are. No, it's greater, so we have to go for 7. It's 19. Now you can see that won't be divisible. We can go for 0. Now 8s are maximum will go for 2 zeros after the decimals. हम 2 डिजिट तक जाएंगे, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. 2s are. So here the decimal value is 1500 plus 347.82. So let us do the addition of this two, which is the answer of our question. So the answer, we have to do the addition of integer with the integer. So z is equals to, it's 1847.82. This is, we can consider as model, that is expenditure of the family of villages. Thank you. See one more question. Here in the fifth question, it is given that the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of world in one-day international cricket matches. So runs scored between 3000 to 4000, there are 4 batsmen and so on. We have to find out the mode of the given data. Again, to find out the mode, first we require to find out which is the highest frequency and the model class. So let's go for the highest frequency. So highest frequency of this given table is 18. So we can say that the model classes of the given table, as the 18 is the highest frequency, so model class is 4000 to 5000. This is the model class. Now as we obtain the highest frequency, the model class, we know the rest of the values can be obtained. So as the highest frequency is F1, then preceding is F0 and F2. It's 0, 1, 2. We know how to do it. Now let us write down all these values here. L is the lower boundary or lower limit of the model class, that is 4000. We have all these 3 values. F1 is the highest, that is 18. F0 is the preceding and F2 is the succeeding. So we have all the values, and H is the difference, or we can say the class length, that is of 1000. As we obtain all the values, substitute those values in the formula. L is equals to 4000 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute this value, it's 4000 plus the subtraction is 14, should multiply 1000 with the number 18 to 36. It is always addition, that is 13. Now it is 4000 as it is, plus we should multiply this term 14,000 upon the subtraction of this 2, that is 23. Again it is like the previous number, we have to do the division of this and we have to note it down. So let's do the division and get the answer. So the division is 608.695. Let's convert this into the 2 digits. So it is 4000 plus 608 point, it would be 70. So the model class is the addition of the 2 integer 4608.70. You can write only 7. This is the model, or we can see the mode of the given data.